Baka Club.
Hi guys, this is Cosplay Sunpaz and we're gonna be making rice balls. Not any rice balls, we're gonna be making cute rice balls. Oh my god, we have a little bear, a star, and a heart here. We just got this from a local Asian market. They have a ton of them there. They have like the regular triangle shapes, they have all different shapes. But let's get down to it. Okay, so we have our pre-made rice. This came out of the rice cooker just a few minutes ago. It's still quite hot. Got my little rice paddle. And we have a lot of ingredients. Let me just go down the line. We have sugar, a nice little pinchin'. This was like a cup and a half of dry rice. Just so you guys know. Sugar, done. Have some sesame seeds. Nice little handful, a little toss right there. And this is all to your taste. I mean, if you don't like sesame seeds, don't put them in. If you don't like it too sweet or too salty, you know the gist. I have rice vinegar to give it a little zing, a little splash, 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 splash. That's good. Got some pepper to taste, or just however much you want. It's actually lemon pepper. I really like this stuff. Got some soy sauce. Everyone needs soy sauce. A little bit less soy sauce than the rice vinegar, just a splash. Just for a little salt and a little color, and this guy is just for fun. This is seaweed. Little seaweed treats. Let me start. Crumble that up. There we go. Maybe another one. And these guys, if you make the triangle ones, you normally see them sort of like on the bottom. That's so cute, right? Okay. And just mix this all up.
I saw that.
Nice salty.
Just like you.
Hey! Okay. Mixing, 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 mixing. Make sure you get the stuff on the bottom too. Scoop it down and around. Get the sides. And sort of fold it over. Do a little taste test. Perfect. Okay. So this comes in 3 parts. The main part, this little plunger part. Put the plunger in, and the lid. Use this to push it down. Okay. Might not seem quite intuitive, but let's try it anyways. Put a little rice in here. There we go. Sort of squish it in. Want to fill it up. Make sure there's no holes, no air pockets. And we also have a little cup of rice, because...
Cup of water.
Cup of water. You have a little cup of water, because rice is sticky. It just sort of cleans your hands. And we use the lid to push it down. Yay! And we flip it over. And we push the plunger out. Oh, out. And then we have little rice balls. Oh my god, they're so cute! Yum. Okay, and I do have method number 2. You need a piece of saran wrap, plastic wrap, cling wrap, whatever kind of wrap you have. Just get a little piece of that. Maybe about this big. Sorry if you can't really see it on video. Not this big. Okay. Get however much rice you want. Get a little bit of water and sort of put it on your hands so the rice doesn't stick. And then just sort of make it into a little ball. Maybe a little bit less. This is going to be a big rice ball. Okay. And to get the thing in the middle, the little stuffing, I just sort of make a little indent right there. And I would put like deli meat or something in. Seaweed, I don't know. Whatever you want for a treat in there. I prefer something salty.
Some people put like a red bean or a pickled plum.
That sounds good.
Especially if you want to do it fruit basket style.
Yes. Get my hands a little wet again. Get a second ball. Sort of shape it into a little ball there. Maybe a little bit more water. And you sort of stick it on top. So make one big ball. Okay. And with your big ball, you sort of flatten it down just a little bit. Let's get this out of the way. Just a little bit. And sort of wrap it up one way, wrap it up the other way. And now you squish it into an onigiri shape. Cute. And you can leave it like this, you can refrigerate it overnight, you can take it to lunch tomorrow. Or get a little bit of water, wet that down. Get one of your little seaweeds. And now it's a wee onigiri. Ta-da! Alright. So that was how to make a rice ball. I hope some people like the recipe. I hope this was informative for some people. We'll be doing a lot more of these recorded videos in the future. If you want me or Charlie to do something anime or cute or anything related to cosplay or DIY, just let us know and we'll try to do it. Alright, love you guys, bye!